diretso na po tayo sa question and answer portion. So this time, I know that you are more nervous than our candidates, pero esta vez vais a elegir el idioma que queréis usar, español, inglés o filipino. Después, vais a elegir también el nombre del jurado, ¿ok? Entonces, first, you have to choose your judge. We have the name of the judge there. Choose one judge, and then afterwards, you have...
Miss Kai Taganas.
Miss Kai Taganas. Ayesha, ¿qué idioma quieres?
En español.
En español, por favor. So, in this question and answer portion, we would like to request everyone to medyo bigyan natin ng chance ang ating candidate to respond clearly. And please don't interrupt our candidate kapag nag-buckle or medyo natagalan yung question or yung answer. Let them breathe, let them answer. And we have how many minutes? Wow. Grabe. Tiene 45 segundos para responder. Y tienes que acercar el micrófono muy cerca de la boca. Por eso no queremos que interrumpimos nuestro candidato. Así se puede responder mejor. Okay, Ms. Kai, please say your question in Spanish.
Right. Okay. Hi. First of all, you look so pretty today. Here's your question. ¿Cuál es un problema que afecta a los adolescentes hoy en día que desearías que los adultos entendieran mejor? Otra vez. ¿Cuál es un problema que afecta a los adolescentes hoy en día que desearías que los adultos entendieran mejor?
Como todos sabemos, la inteligencia artificial hoy en día está muy popular ahora mismo. Y depende también cómo utilizamos esto con nuestros hijos, con nuestros hermanitos, nuestros sobrinos. Nosotros los adultos tenemos que saber cómo manejar estos dispositivos hacia ellos. Y por eso quiero enseñaros que esto depende de cada uno de nosotros, que en nosotros reside la importancia de decidir cómo vamos a hacer a nuestros hijos. Muchas gracias.
Jody Nicole Antonio. Hi, Jody. Are you ready? I'm not sure if you heard my yung instruction kanina kay Yasha. You have to choose your judge first, and then afterwards, you have to choose which language do you prefer to answer and which language is the question. If it's in Spanish, English, or Filipino. Your judge is
Nat Sisma Villalona.
Nat Sisma Villalona. Sis Nats, are you ready? Which language do you prefer?
I prefer it in English po.
Yes.
So your question is, what is the most important lesson you have learned from your Binibining Barcelona journey? Again, what is the most important lesson you have learned from your Binibining Barcelona journey and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question po. I believe that the most important things that I've learned in this Binibining Barcelona journey is hindi lang pala puro paganda lang. throughout my journey, I've learned that this isn't just about sashes, glamour, but it is about responsibility. And I am ready not just to wear the crown, but to also take the responsibility. Because I believe that a true beauty queen knows what integrity, wisdom, perseverance is. And I believe that I value those values and I deserve and I believe that I am ready to wear the first Binibining Barcelona. Thank you.
Pepe Chavez.
¿Y de qué idioma prefieres? En español, por favor.
Let's go, Pepe.
It's quite challenging for me, but I'm gonna try my best, okay? Anyway, you're very beautiful tonight. Okay, here's your question. In Spanish. ¿Qué hay de hermoso en ti que no puede verse en las fotos?
Otra vez.
Otra vez. ¿Qué hay de hermoso en ti que no puede verse en las fotos? En las fotos, sorry.
Gracias por tu pregunta. Lo que hay dentro de mí es la resiliencia, perseverancia, dedicación. Después de todos los años que he pasado, mi experiencia a través de mis estudios, familia, y no solo simplemente es mostrar una sonrisa, porque detrás de ello también hay sufrimiento, dedicación, ser fuerte. He estado siendo fuerte y por ello he luchado para poder seguir siendo yo. Y no hay que juzgar siempre por las apariencias y hay que mostrar por tal como eres y quérete siempre contigo mismo. Gracias.
Thank you, muchas gracias. Okay, number 5, Miss Maggie Zavala. Hi Maggie, how are you? Good, thanks. Medyo pawis na pero carry pa rin. Okay, I know na narinig mo na.
It's Dr. Ivan Ramos.
Your judge is Dr. Ivan Ramos. And which language do you prefer?
In English.
In English. Let's do this.
Hi,
Good
Doc.
evening. I hope maintindihan mo ko din na mamausap ko.
Okay lang po, no
Just
problem.
listen, okay? Here is your question. What does being Filipino in Barcelona mean to you? And how do you share that identity with others?
That's
I repeat. What does being Filipino in Barcelona mean to you? And how do you share that identity with others?
Thank you for that beautiful question, Doctora. So, para sa akin, for me, being Filipino is having that sense of community. Kapwa Filipino. Actually, sumali po ako dito. I joined this pageant because I wanted to stay connected to my Filipino roots and get to know more the Filipino community. And I'm so grateful for the Katambayan channel for welcoming me because I came here to Spain not knowing anyone, alone, and without having any family members. And thanks to all the friends, my supportive friends who've come here to support me. They have been my chosen family and they are all Filipino. So that concept of kapwa Pinoy, kapwa tao, that's something that I will always cherish and share to the Barcelona people or the international people here in Spain. And por mis amigos de español que están aquí ahora, apoyándome, Vine aquí desde 2,000 kilómetros de estancia de mi hogar. No pensé que podría encontrarme una familia aquí. Y por eso, esa loca filipina, los amo a todos. Muchas gracias a todos. And thank you very much a todos.
Thank you so much, Magdi. It's
Maria Magdalena Monzo.
Hi, Magda. How are you? A bit nervous, pero hindi halata sa face. Alam ko, narinig mo sa likod ang aming mga puno. El último envelope. Let's go. None other than Miss
Ian Mendoza.
Miss Lian Mendoza. Magda, anong language ang gusto mong gamitin?
For the question, I will prefer Tagalog po, and for the answer, Tagalog and a little bit of English. Yeah, I think. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Magda. I miss you.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
So, ito yung katanungan ko para sa'yo. Yes. Paano mo haharapin ang pampublikong kritisismo kung ikaw ay isang kilalang tao? Ulitin ko. Paano mo haharapin ang pampublikong kritisismo kung ikaw ay isang kilalang tao?
Thank you so much. I would handle criticism by filtering comments. First, ignoring comments that are not true about me. If alam ko naman po hindi totoo, bakit naman po ako maapektuhan? Pangalawa, ang bibigyan ko lamang po ng pansin ay ang mga komento na alam ko po na makakatulong sa akin. Comments that would help me grow as a person, that will help me improve and to be a better woman. Because I believe I'm not a perfect person, I made mistakes. But I am someone who's willing to learn, to improve, and to grow. And I thank you.
Thank you, Magda. Alam mo, mas malakas so. Wala na akong Okay. Miss Dayan Isabel Perfeccio Verderon. Hola, Dayan. ¿Qué tal?
Nervous, but doing great.
Okay, Dayan, uulitin ko just to remove that nervousness. You have to choose your judge. This time you have 5 judges to choose. And isa lang ang pipiliin mo. And then afterwards, you have to respond kung ano ang mas comfortable ka. Espanyol, Filipino, or English. Pwede rin i-mix kung saan ka mas comfortable. Your judge is
Dr. Yvette Ramos.
Doctora Even Ramos. ¿Qué prefieres? ¿La pregunta será en español, Filipino o inglés?
I prefer it to be in English po.
The question will be in English.
Hi there, good evening. Listen, here's your question, okay? Relax, ¿vale? Bueno. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? And how does participating in Binibining Barcelona fit into that vision? I love it. Pasensya na sa boses ko, ha? Bueno. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? And how does participating in Binibining Barcelona fit into that vision?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Ladies and gentlemen, I grew up in a household where everyone believed in my crafts, where everyone believed in my dreams. Therefore, to answer your question, I see myself in 5 years doing the thing that I love the most. Because I know that I have a lot of people supporting me. Gusto ko din pong sabihin sa lahat na lahat tayo alam natin na ang kabataan na yung futuro. but we often forget that we are their present. So let's be their pillar and be their support system. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, Diane. Maraming salamat. Alright. Dito tayo. Judges, because I know